Hello and welcome from KiboPush team. This is a short tutorial regarding a very simple yet effective growth tool feature called Message Us. It is basically a widget that helps drive user traffic from your website to Facebook Messenger, where they can interact with you to become a subscriber. You can access Message Us from Growth Tools in main menu. Click on Message Us. You're going to find growth tools both on KiboChat and KiboEngage. Okay, so here, first of all, you're going to select the page for which you want to set up your Message Us widget. And as you can see, here is the piece of code which can be added to your website. The code is basically a button which on click is going to redirect your users to your Facebook Messenger where they are going to interact with you to become a subscriber. The button features that is the color and a text on the button. It can be customized from these two inputs. This is how your button will look like on your website page. Okay. Copy this code to your website HTML page under the body tag. Now this simple widget will help your users coming to your website locate you in Messenger and subscribe to your page. This is all from my side right now. Stay connected to KiboPush. Have a nice day. Thank you.